Dear brothers and sisters, do you know which are the two great losses we suffer? Most of us. It has been reported in Hadith number 8.421 in Bukhari, reported by Ibn Abbas radiallahu anh, that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there are two blessings which many people loses. Which are those two blessings? Number one is the health. Number two is the free time for doing good deed. This is the hadith. Let us understand. Two great losses for a human beings are health and the time to do good deeds. What happens when you lose health? When you have no health, no enjoyment, no proper worship, no independence, and you depend on many other things and many on other people. Every human being has a fixed time. Every day is 24 hours for everybody. Some people are doing the sins, some people are earning good deeds. But if you're not doing the good deeds, the time is going at the same rate for the person who is doing the bad deeds. Now, important thing is seeking the love of Allah to protect from yourself from hellfire and getting a place in Jannah. How? To save yourself from the grave punishment, earning sadaqah jariyah. What we have to do? We have to do the good deeds which can last for forever even after we have gone from this world. So dear brothers and sisters, please take care of two things. Take care of your health, and number two, utilize your time for doing the good deeds for the sake of Allah, so that you can have a guaranteed place in the Jannah. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala Ali